Guys, so today I'm testing my Cowfoot soup. Yes, I made Cowfoot soup because it's getting quite chilly here in New York. The temperature has dropped, so it's pretty chilly, cold. Weather for jacket and sweatshirts and sweatpants, dressing a little warm. So soup came in so nice at that time to warm the temperature, warm your body, make you feel nice and cozy. I love me some Cowfoot soup. You know what I'm saying? I just added some pumpkin and some macaroni. I didn't really put much stuff in it. I just wanted to drink that soup, eat some meat. I love my meat, y'all. As you can see, look at that Cowfoot. Look at the Cowfoot. It was so nice and soft and, tasty and very rich. That's why I love my Cowfoot soup, you know what I'm saying? By the time I'm finished adding all my ingredients, it's just delicious. You guys should try it. You understand? Look on YouTube or you look on Google. Get you a recipe. A nice recipe that you can afford to buy the ingredients. And also an easy recipe that you can try to make. And try it. I promise you, it tastes so delicious. Understand? Well, bye.